You must kill us fast. These are not just my words. These are words from our brothers and sisters in Burkina Faso as they vow to protect their president, Ibrahim Traoré. Tonight your name is not whispered. It is hallowed across history's walls. Tonight your streets are not paved with fear. They are flooded with fire. People gather not for protest, but for protection. Not to cry for help, but to stare death in the face and dare it to move. They surround the palace not with fear, but with an unbreakable spine of a people reborn. And they say, if you have to kill Ibrahim Traoré, you must kill us fast. This isn't just Burkina Faso speaking. This is Africa remembering herself. This is the ghost of Sangara rising with a new face. This is what happens when truth gets tired of kneeling. Western powers, listen carefully. This is not just a playing ground no more. Your dollars don't buy loyalty here. Your embassies won't hide behind democracy masks. Your NGOs can't sweet talk revolution. You have stolen our gold. You have stolen our leaders, but you will not steal our future. Because this time, the people didn't vote, but they vowed. And to those in Africa still licking colonial boots, yes, you, I mean you, yes, the tie-wearing traitors, the presidential pounds, the smiling servants to the West, are you watching? Are you hearing the sound of your own shame, echoing the chants of real leadership? Ibrahim Traoré doesn't kneel to Paris. He walks with the people. He sleeps with the danger. He speaks with fire. He leads. And the people, they don't hide behind fences. They form a human shield, a nationwide heartbeat around his soul. Tell me, what kind of leader must be protected from the very people he swore to serve? Not Traoré, of course. Maybe you. If you must kill our leader, you must kill us fast. If you want our gold, you must take our breath. If you want our silence, you'll have to crush our bones. But hear this, we are a million bones, and we do not break easily. From Jenga, Kenya, we send not pity, but we send praises to a brotherhood in Burkina Faso. To the people of Ouagadougou, you are not just standing in the streets. You are standing in the storybooks of our children. You are writing chapters the West cannot erase. And to the rest of Africa, pick a side. The time of dancing for donors is over. The era of begging in foreign tongues is dead. This continent is rising, not with permission, but with purpose. So here's now, from Burkina Faso to the corners of this continent, we don't need saviors. We need sovereignty. And if they come for our leaders, they find us in the way. This has been the voice from Jenga, Kenya, and I'm yours truly, Shadrach Burekakai. See you in our next